Alright, let me tell you a story. So, a lot of you keep asking me to shut up. So what I'm going to be doing today is playing with myself in public. Dirty, dirty bitch! I love playing with my big, massive penis. Ugh. Yeah, I've got my dick out. If you use your eyes, you can see it. It's not even fully grown yet. Look how big it is. I mean, you've got a massive penis. Where could I buy one? Yeah, I wish I had one of those. There's just something about big, massive tits that I just don't understand, man. If anyone knows why Boris Johnson has a vagina, I would genuinely love to know. Please let me know in the comments. Or if anyone else knows why he loves eating penis, I would love to know where he learned to do that, because I'm impressed. Because there's nothing more exciting than having a mouthful penis. Yeah, he's a dirty, dirty bitch. Ugh. Let me tell you a story, yeah? Your mum is gorgeous. Now I just want to slap her tits and put my finger up my ass, and then they just scream at you. And then she said, no, don't slow down, come on man. Come on man, come on, Jesus Christ. But I couldn't go any faster. And then she said, Jesus Christ, there's nothing coming. And you know what I said? You just can't make this up, can you? What are you doing? Learn how to drive. Driving is like sex. I love watching people make love. Then out. Oh, just pull out like a nutter. No, I love the sound they make. Ugh, women. I think they're gorgeous. They just love it when another man pulls out his penis. Yeah, it gets quite intense. No, I just like to eat them. Oh yeah, they taste lush. It's just dripping with juice, a sprinkle of sugar, and a spoonful of cum. Yeah, I can think of nothing better. Ooh, cum. When you're a big girl, yeah, and you're driving all by yourself out in a big world, all on your lonesome, yeah, you're driving by yourself. You want to stay away from cheap hookers. They drive me crazy. There was this really weird girl from Harry Potter, and she'd say things like, "You're a wizard, Harry." It makes me laugh every time. And then she started. I bet she was thinking, just go, don't look both ways, and then just sit there picking your asshole. Yeah, naughty boy. And people just said to me, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, you did it! Ah, no! And I just thought it would be fun. Some people might not understand, but I said it didn't matter, and she was like, dirty, dirty bitch! Ah.